Here we go. Hey, it's Walter Van Dusen at. Oh, sorry. Hey, it's Walter Van Dusen at InfoComm 2026. Today I am field testing the C80 with the 24 to 105 PZ. It has two types of PZ. This is the PZB, and it can do pan, zoom out. Also has roughly up to 5 levels of stabilization in stills, but we're not exactly sure what it is in video, which I'll find out. I have that pop up over here. We also are recording in Canon Log 3 at 29.97 in raw light. Yep. We also have, you can turn the camera so you can see a little bit. So it has a really big screen, and you can basically tap on the screen and have me in focusing. Right now we have it in eye dominance, so it goes to the nearest eye. We have scratch disc audio on top, and you can put a CAS cam on top and you can get some audio too. But right now we're using the audio from Sennheiser going back there. And this is a test to see if I would like to use the C80 on my rolling interview stand. So instead of my current system, this would probably be the most likely to set up. PZ lens is amazing. You can zoom in and out without having to touch the lens. It's stable. And what I heard from Ryan, you can set up a shortcut in the back. Use a little toggle switch in the back to zoom in. So I really don't have to touch the camera at all, which would make the footage really stable. Ryan's going to zoom in, zoom out. Right now that means we have a half-off sale. If you're in the Canon booth at this exact time, the C80 is half off, and you get a free 24 to 105 2.8 lens. You have to be in the booth at this moment. That's a joke. So we're just doing a little test. This is the C400. This is another camera that I like to have as my A cam. This is a very nice lens, which we played with yesterday. This is the price of more than a Model Y performance, which is a kick butt. And Ryan is very kind to allow me to test out the C80. I track focusing, BZN. Is this a portable?
It's not mechanically parfocal, but it electronically.
Yeah, it's kick butt. So it's going to track me. So this is Walter Van Dusen from InfoComm 2026 with Ryan Snyder, a very expensive cam operator that's helping me out today. And we just want to do a test, which I'll post onto my YouTube channel, Field Test Media. So thank you very much, Ryan. We'll do a high five.
There you go.
Thank you very much. That's it.